Are you looking for the best wood routers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best wood routers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt EVS Fixed Base Plunge Router Combo Kit. The DeWalt Wood Router Combo with a fixed and plunge base is a professional-grade tool that also works well for the enthusiastic beginner. Though it requires a larger investment than some beginner routers, this is a high-quality, versatile tool that should last a lifetime. The model comes with both inch and inch collets. Both quick-change fixed and plunge bases are included with the router to tackle just about any routing task. The 2 1/4 GP motor incorporates soft start and constant speed balancing, varying from 8,000 to 24,000 revolutions per minute RPM. Additional features that may be helpful to beginners and more experienced woodworkers include a micro-fine adjustment for depth setting and particularly efficient dust collection, so the router bit remains easily visible while working. The router also comes with a hard-wearing tool bag. In our tests, the DeWalt EVS Router Combo proved to be a great option for beginners. It made quick work of edge profiles and dado cuts with good precision and clean edges. And it moved smoothly, without chatter or bogging down in dense hardwood, knots, or cutting deeper grooves. The spindle lock accommodated normally quick bit changes, although sometimes we had to wrestle an extra snug bit from the collet. The only place we really struggled with adjustments was in the router table. It would work best with a router lift, because the fixed base does not include a height adjustment screw through the base plate. What our tester says: if I was shopping for my first router, I would want a tool like this. The DeWalt EVS Router Combo made routing by hand easy. It was easy to operate and just heavy enough for good balance, but not too heavy for occasional trim work. It's not the cheapest option, but you may never need to replace it. Mark Wolf, product tester and writer. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt 20V Max XR Brushless Cordless Compact Router. Power cords often can be frustrating, particularly with small, lightweight routers. DeWalt's portable router works by rechargeable battery, giving it excellent maneuverability. The inch router has a soft start motor rated at a competitive 1 1/4 GP, so there's no performance penalty for choosing a battery-powered model. This DeWalt trim router offers variable speed between 16,000 and 25,500 revolutions per minute and an electronic brake that brings it to a stop quickly. A clever height adjustment ring helps users quickly and easily set depth. An extended base improves stability, and 2 LED work lights provide excellent cutter visibility. Like many cordless wood routers, the DeWalt comes as a bare tool, so for the total purchase price, factor in the cost of a battery and charger. However, owners of other DeWalt cordless tools might already have compatible batteries. In testing, the DeWalt cordless router surprised us with an ample supply of power, precision, and versatility. It delivered on all of the points we expected from a professional quality palm router, with the added benefit of cordless mobility. The fixed base worked well in both hands or single-handed, as the task demanded. The placement of the speed dial allowed us to make adjustments with a thumb without shifting our grip on the tool. As for cutting action, this type of router is typically used for edge work, but the clear base and onboard LED work lights gave ample visibility for some modified plunge work as well. This allowed us to mark an entry point and tip the bit into the precise spot on the workpiece in order to follow a pattern. This, along with a precision depth adjustment system, makes the DeWalt cordless palm router a versatile tool for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. The 3rd product on our list is the Bosch 18617 EVSP Professional Combo Pack Routers. For exploring the woodworking hobby or profession, this package of Bosch wood routing tools offers high performance with almost endless flexibility. The kit includes a plunge base a fixed base, and a benchtop router table to get the maximum usage from the included router. The router features a 12-amp motor with speed adjustments up to 25,000 revolutions per minute and accommodates both inch and inch collets. Changing from the fixed base to the plunge base was straightforward. It took about 3 minutes to swap bases, and both bases feature precision bit depth adjustments. We tested the plunge base on pattern work and found it easy to align the bit and lower the router effortlessly for accurate cuts. With the fixed base installed, we used the Bosch router to make freehand edge cuts and table cuts. It worked perfectly in both cases. The routed cuts were smooth and precise. The table is well designed and sturdy, but it took about 30 minutes to assemble. Once assembled, however, it took only a few minutes to install and level the router in the table. The electronic feedback feature directed more power to the bit when we switched from pine to oak in order to maintain constant RPM. We heard the motor increase output to keep the bit spinning at our selected speed. This kit is more expensive than many of the others we tested, but it's a space-saving option for woodworkers who take on many different projects and need the full range of routing options. Second on our list is the Bosch 1GP Colt Router Installers Kit. Palm routers like the Bosch Colt router tool are the smallest of the wood routers, often favored for light-duty jobs like laminate trim and edge molding. They are great for beginner cabinet makers who want to add simple design details that lift work out of the ordinary. Their compact size and portability can also make them a valuable addition to the DIY toolkit. This is an inch router with an extended fixed base that offers good stability, while the depth adjustment provides ease of use. The 1GP motor has enough power for its intended purpose while offering easy one-handed operation. Speed varies from 16,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute, and faster speeds work best for cutting composite materials. The Bosch Colt was easy and comfortable to operate in one hand or two. It only took a few seconds to switch between different bases. To change bits, we had the option of using the spindle lock button or 2 wrenches, as best fit the circumstances. The included fixed and tilt bases include square base plates that work particularly well with the straight edge and roller guides. The square base plate also made it easier to maintain the router's orientation when working with a jig. The unique offset base was especially useful when we needed to make cuts adjacent to inside corners. What our tester says: "I really like the compact size and variety of bases that come with this kit. It's more of a specialty set, but an ideal tool for precision edging and trim details on furniture and cabinetry." Mark Wolf, product tester and writer. Finally, the top product on our list is the Makita 3 1/4 GP plunge router with variable speed. Beginners might think their first router needs to be light or medium duty. That's not always true, as some beginning woodworkers might want to undertake heavy-duty tasks. In that case, they need high performance with good control, which they can get from this heavy-duty Makita plunge router. This inch wood router machine has an immensely powerful 3 1/4 GP motor. While that enables large, aggressive cuts, the Makita remains relatively easy to handle, thanks to a smooth plunge action and big ergonomic handles that provide excellent grip. The variable speed control runs from 9,000 to a maximum speed of 22,000 revolutions per minute, and its soft start reduces torque reaction. Once underway, a lock-on trigger allows for continuous operation, which is very useful on long workpieces. An electric brake brings things to a fast stop. It's a tool with impressive capabilities, but it's also a very manageable one. The Makita RP2301FC plunge router proved to be a heavy-duty contender among our tested routers. What makes it so compelling is an excellent combination of power and finesse. Rather than simply using it for edge profiles like all of the others in the test group, we installed a 2-inch diameter surfacing bit and used it to flatten a rough board. The power was incredible, but the most impressive thing was its smooth, controllable operation. The depth was easy to adjust with a high degree of accuracy, and the weight of the motor helped us make clean, smooth passes, cutting up to 1/4 inch deep. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.